Okay, children, now we are going to see the unit standard 4, unit 6, fractions. In this fractions, I already say this sum about Anita had a vegetable garden which was a rectangular shape. She planted that is 4 equal parts. She used that garden as a 4 equal parts. She planted brinjal 1 by 4, pumpkin 1 by 4 and lady's finger 2 by 4. So rectangular garden was divided into 4 parts. So how many brinjal is planted? 1 by 2. And how many lady's finger part is 2 by 4. And pumpkin is planted as the remaining 2 by 4. Okay, so remaining 2 by 4 and lady's finger is 2 by 4 and the pumpkin is 1 by 4. Totally if you add this 2, 3, 4, that is total parts is 4. Here another sum they are given. Pumpkin and lady's finger is 3 by 4. So portion of the pumpkin is how much is there? That is 1 by 2. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2, that gives you 1 by 2. So portion of the pumpkin is 1 by 2. Okay children. And now next we'll move on to the next sum, that is the exercise we are going to see now. What is the exercise? Exercise number 6.4. Exercise 6.4, page number 56. Page number 56. Here in this, write a suitable fractions as 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 in the circle given below. They are given the fraction picture, so you have to write whether it is 1 by 4, 1 by 2 or 3 by 4. Write suitable fractions. Write suitable fractions as 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 in the circle. So here they are given the picture. In this picture 1, 2, 3 and 4. They shaded only this part. Okay. So you have to write which one is the correct answer. Here they are shaded. 4 parts are given. 3 parts. Three parts. Here also we have to say this. Here in this shaded portion 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here there is shaded 1 part. So you can write here how many portions are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write in the denominator as a 4 and how many are shaded? That is 1. Here also 4 parts. How many is shaded? That is 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. You can put 3 by 4. Here how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. You write this denominator down 4 and put the line. How many are shaded? That is 1. So you have to write like this. Then they are asking, explain the meaning of 1 by 4. Explain the meaning. Meaning of 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So 1 by 4, now what is the meaning for this? That is 4 parts na 1 part. That is 1/4. Four parts. 1 by 4 is 1/4. You can write 1/4. 1 by 2 is 1/2. You can write like this. And 3 by 4 is 3/4. Okay, this is enough for you to write this. And then the next one is about the exercise number 6.5. Here they are given understanding the equivalences of a 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 and 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 and 4 by 4 and 1. Here in this, so everything is inside your book children. So go through the books, take your books Page number 59. Page number 59. Equivalences. Equivalences of 2 by 4 and 1 by 2. And of in an hour 2 by 2, 3 by 3 and 4 by 4. So 4 friends are working on the sunny day and all have become thirsty and they want to share the fruit and the watermelon. So they sliced into 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts are that will be the same only. Take a square sheet of paper and shade it. You can take 2 sheets of paper and fold it. You can get 2 equal parts. Again, if you can fold it, you can get 4 equal parts. That is 2 by 2, 3 by 3 and 4 by 4. So the 2 parts become the 4 parts and the colored parts are into 2 parts. So first of all, the 2 parts pandranga, 2 parts already we have seen this. 2 parts are there. Okay, 1, 2 pirichikranga. And then again idu vandu 4 parts la 4 parts are pirikranga. Okay, yeah. That is equivalences. This is 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. 2 parts are here. 4 la. Inga 1 part is here. 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. So this represents that both are equal size. This is known as the equivalences. Okay. So here in exercise number 6.5, now page number 60. Exercise number 6.5. Exercise 6.5. Here in this, choose the picture, which first one, choose the appropriate picture. Choose the appropriate. Given below. For the fraction 2 by 4. So, either 2 by 4 fraction correct you have to see. Okay. I'll draw the sum of the pictures and some of the parts have been shaded. So, you have to say which parts are shaded or which one represents the 2 by 4. Here they shaded 3/4. Okay. And here 2. Okay. And here only 1. So which picture represents a 2 by 4? This represents 3 by 4. Abdina 3 parts are shaded. This represents 2 by 4. 4 parts are 2 shaded. And this represents the 1 by 4. So choose the appropriate picture. Now this is the appropriate picture that represents the 2 by 4. Like that they are given the 1 by 2. Choose the picture. Sum number 2 is choose the picture. Same thing only. Represent 1 by 2. 1 by 2, which picture represents? See, here they are given the circle. Half, and here it is. So they are shaded and given. Here they are shaded half portion. Okay. And here 4 parts, 1 parts only shaded. So which picture represents 1 by 2? This one only. This is 1 by 2. This is 3 by 4 and this is 1 by 4. So this only represents 1 by 2. And now the last one is you have to match the picture they are given like this. So same thing only. Third one, choose the equivalence. Choose the equivalence according to the picture. Choose the equivalence according to the fraction. According to the fraction. Okay. It's a line. And here they are given first sum 1 by 2. This is the serial number and this is the sum. And second sum is 2 by 4. And third sum is 1 by 4. Okay. So here they are given a circle. 3 circles they are given. Half. So choose the equivalence. So equal எது இருக்குதுன்றது you have to choose it. Yes. And this. Choose the equivalence according to the fraction given against the pictures. And here 2 by 4. Only this. And here this. Then the last one 1 by 4. So these pictures are shaded like this. So they are asking choose the equivalence according to the fractions. Here 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 here is also. This is sorry. This not shaded. 4 parts the 1 parts தான் இது பண்ணிருக்காங்க. And this is 1 by 2 and this is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. This is half and this is 1/4. This is 1 by 2 and this is 2/4. So this one you can take. And 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is this is the 2 by 4. Okay, this is the 2 by 4. And this one next one is 1 by 4 and this is the equivalent. So that's all for this children, this term. So write whatever we have learned in this fractions. Okay children, okay, go through this. For the third term you have finished so far. So what all you have said, you have learned, copy down everything, and next we'll see in the next class. Thank you.